What's up, everybody? Happy holiday season, whatever that means to you. As you saw in the last video, we got a lot of suspension shit sorted out. The goal is, when the S12 touches the ground again, it will be a real drift car. None of this cope, poser ass shit. It's gonna have all the elements of a real drift car. Welded differential, working handbrake, and slight angle mods. I think the biggest component that was missing from this is something that fortunately Techno Toy Tuning has a solution for. T3 makes adjustable tension rods for the S12 that are bolt-on. So all of you S12 people out there who are looking for a little bit more caster to get a little bit more self-steer out of these cars so they don't, you don't have to feed the wheel so much, this is the solution for that. As well, is I was able to get a custom hydraulic power steering line made, which is the first time I've ever done that. And I was really surprised that you could go there that day and they walk out of the store with the custom line. We have the hydraulic line that's ready to go to actually plug in, and hopefully the power steering doesn't leak, and we have power steering. All the suspension is now settled to where it's actually set up properly. And we will be installing these tension arms to add some self-steers. So I'm thinking that makes this car an actual drift car. But we'll see. Let's get these parts thrown on and we'll go from there.